Hey, what's up everybody? It's month 2025 and you know what that means? It's a new month, which means a fresh batch of winning products to dropship. That's right, if you're looking to cash in on the latest trends and find some seriously hot products to sell online, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into 5 profitable niches that are absolutely exploding right now. And trust me, these aren't just any niches. We're talking about markets that are primed for massive growth and huge profit potential. Whether you're a seasoned dropshipper or just starting, these niches offer incredible opportunities to build a successful business. So, get ready to take some notes because I'm about to share the exact products that are flying off the virtual shelves this month and how you can get your piece of the pie. Let's do this. First up, we're kicking things off with a niche that's experiencing explosive growth right now: outdoor and gardening. Spring has sprung, and that means people are spending more time outside, sprucing up their yards, patios, and gardens. They're looking for products that enhance their outdoor spaces and make them more enjoyable. So, what are the hot products in this niche? Well, one product that's absolutely crushing it right now is the solar-powered outdoor string lights. These lights are incredibly popular because they add a touch of ambiance and elegance to any outdoor space without the hassle of wiring or extension cords. Plus, they're energy efficient, which is a huge selling point for environmentally conscious consumers. Another winning product in this niche is the portable fire pit. These compact and easy-to-use fire pits are perfect for small patios, backyards, or even camping trips. They provide warmth, ambiance, and a gathering place for friends and family to enjoy those cool spring evenings. And let's not forget about gardening tools and accessories. People are always looking for ways to make gardening easier and more enjoyable. So products like ergonomic gardening gloves, self-watering planters, and vertical garden systems are selling like hotcakes. Here's a pro tip. When marketing these products, focus on the benefits they offer. Highlight the convenience of solar-powered lights, the portability of fire pits, and the ease of use of ergonomic gardening tools. Use high-quality images and videos that showcase these products in action and appeal to your target audience's desire for a beautiful and functional outdoor space. Remember, people are willing to spend money on products that improve their quality of life, and outdoor and garden products definitely fall into that category. So take advantage of this booming niche and watch your sales blossom this spring. Moving on to our next hot niche, eco-friendly and sustainable products. Sustainability isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's a way of life. Consumers are becoming increasingly aware of their environmental impact and actively seeking out products that align with their values. This shift towards eco-consciousness has created a massive opportunity for dropshippers to capitalize on products that are good for the planet and good for business. One product that's seeing a surge in demand is reusable beeswax food wraps. These natural and biodegradable wraps are a sustainable alternative to plastic wrap and aluminum foil. They're perfect for keeping food fresh and reducing waste in the kitchen. Another winning product in this niche is bamboo toothbrushes. These toothbrushes are made from a sustainable and fast-growing resource, making them an eco-friendly alternative to traditional plastic toothbrushes. Plus, they often come in biodegradable packaging, further reducing waste. And let's not forget about reusable shopping bags. With many cities and countries banning single-use plastic bags, reusable shopping bags have become a necessity. Look for stylish and durable options made from materials like canvas, jute, or recycled plastic. When marketing eco-friendly products, it's crucial to highlight their environmental benefits. Emphasize their sustainability, biodegradability, or the fact that they're made from recycled materials. Consumers are drawn to brands that share their values, so don't be afraid to showcase your commitment to sustainability. The demand for eco-friendly products is only going to continue to grow, so now is the perfect time to tap into this profitable niche and attract environmentally conscious customers who are eager to support businesses that align with their values. Now let's talk about a niche that's always hot, especially as we approach the warmer months: fitness and weight loss. With summer just around the corner, people are starting to think about getting in shape and achieving their fitness goals. This annual surge in fitness enthusiasm creates a prime opportunity for dropshippers to capitalize on products that help people look and feel their best. One product that's seeing a surge in demand is resistance bands. These versatile and affordable bands offer a full-body workout and are perfect for home gyms or on-the-go fitness enthusiasts. Another winning product in this niche is portable blenders. These handy devices make it easy to whip up healthy smoothies and protein shakes, whether you're at home, at the gym, or on the go. And let's not forget about fitness trackers. These wearable devices track steps, calories burned, heart rate, and sleep patterns, providing valuable insights into fitness progress and motivating users to stay on track. When marketing fitness and weight loss products, focus on the results they can help people achieve. Highlight the benefits of resistance bands for building strength and toning muscles, the convenience of portable blenders for making healthy smoothies, and the motivational power of fitness trackers. Remember, people are looking for products that will help them reach their fitness goals, so use compelling imagery and testimonials to showcase how your products can help them achieve those goals. The fitness and weight loss niche is a constantly evolving market, so stay up to date on the latest trends and products to maximize your profits. Next up, we're diving into a niche that's all about embracing the latest trends, spring fashion and accessories. As the weather warms up, people are shedding their winter layers and looking for fresh, stylish pieces to update their wardrobes. This seasonal shift in fashion creates a prime opportunity for dropshippers to capitalize on products that help people express their personal style and stay on trend. One product that's seeing a surge in demand is statement earrings. These bold and eye-catching earrings are the perfect way to add a pop of personality to any outfit. Another winning product in this niche is straw bags. These lightweight and stylish bags are perfect for spring and summer, whether you're heading to the beach, running errands, or going out with friends. And let's not forget about sunglasses. A new pair of sunglasses is a must-have for spring, and there are endless styles to choose from classic aviators to trendy cat-eye frames. When marketing spring fashion and accessories, focus on the emotional appeal of your products. Highlight how they can make people feel confident, stylish, and on trend. Use high-quality images and videos that showcase your products in the best possible light and appeal to your target audience's desire to look and feel their best. The spring fashion and accessories niche is all about staying ahead of the trends. So keep an eye on the latest runway shows, fashion blogs, and social media influencers to see what's hot and what's not. Last but not least, let's talk about a niche that's near and dear to my heart: pet products. Pet owners are passionate about their furry friends and are always looking for ways to pamper them. This unwavering love for pets has created a massive and constantly growing market for pet products, making it a prime opportunity for dropshippers. One product that's seeing a surge in demand is personalized pet beds. These cozy and customized beds provide a comfortable and stylish space for pets to rest and relax. Another winning product in this niche is interactive pet toys. These engaging toys help keep pets entertained and stimulated, preventing boredom and destructive behavior. And let's not forget about pet grooming products. From shampoos and conditioners to brushes and nail clippers, pet owners are willing to invest in products that keep their furry friends looking and feeling their best. When marketing pet products, focus on the emotional connection between pet owners and their companions. Highlight how your products can enhance the bond between them, provide comfort and entertainment, or make pet care easier and more enjoyable. Use adorable images and videos of pets enjoying your products to capture the attention of pet owners and evoke a sense of warmth and happiness. Remember, pet owners are a loyal and passionate customer base, so once you've earned their trust and satisfaction, they're likely to become repeat customers. So there you have it. Those are the 5 hottest niches and winning products to dropship in April 2025. Remember, the key to success in dropshipping is to stay ahead of the curve, capitalize on emerging trends, and provide value to your customers. By tapping into these profitable niches and offering high-quality products that meet the needs of your target audience, you can set yourself up for a successful month of dropshipping. Don't forget to continuously research, analyze, and adapt to the ever-changing market to stay ahead of the competition and maximize your profits. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these niches do you think has the most potential? Are there any other hot products you've been eyeing? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more dropshipping tips, strategies, and winning product recommendations. Which niche do you think will make the most money in April? Comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more winning product updates. See you in the next